In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to swap tokens on MetaMask wallet. By the end, you'll feel confident moving from one token to another right inside your wallet with a clear understanding of what you're approving and why the numbers you see might change. Start by opening your MetaMask, either the browser extension or the mobile app. Make sure you're logged in and your wallet is unlocked so you can see your balances. Before doing anything else, confirm you're on the correct network. Look at the network selector at the top of MetaMask and choose the network that matches the token you want to swap. For example, if your tokens are on Ethereum, you need Ethereum mainnet selected. If they're on another chain, select that one. Remember, you'll need a little of the network's native coin to pay for gas, so check you've got enough to cover fees. Next, in the wallet interface, click or tap the swap icon. This opens MetaMask's built-in swap tool. In the swap from field, select the token you already hold and want to trade away. You should see your available balance there. Then in the swap to field, choose the token you want to receive. Take a moment to ensure you're picking the correct token. Names can be similar, and choosing the wrong asset can lead to unexpected results. Enter the amount you'd like to swap. You can type the exact token quantity, or if available, select a percentage of your balance. MetaMask will show an estimated amount you'll receive, but this is just a preview until you fetch real-time pricing. Click Get Quotes to let MetaMask scan multiple decentralized exchanges and liquidity sources for the best available price. This comparison helps you avoid manually hunting across platforms. When the quotes load, review the best quote carefully. Pay attention to the price, the estimated gas fee, and the slippage tolerance. Slippage is how much the price is allowed to move between when you submit and when your trade executes. A small slippage reduces surprises, but if it's too tight, the swap might fail during volatility. If everything looks good and the totals make sense for you, proceed by clicking swap to confirm the transaction. MetaMask will show a confirmation screen with the final details. Approve it and the transaction will be sent to the network. You can watch the pending status inside MetaMask. Confirmation time depends on network congestion and your gas setting. Once the swap is complete, your new tokens will appear in your wallet balance. If they don't show right away, give it a moment for confirmations. That's it. You've successfully swapped tokens using MetaMask.